For a respectable audience, my question is 28 divided by 14 over 2 times 2. Look, and to mostly the people think that 2 and 2 are cancelled, and the remaining will be this portion, so 28 divided by 14, because 2 and 2 are cancelled, so 28 divided by 14 will be equal to 2, and 2 will be their answer, but remember that it is not correct. 2 is not our answer, so we have to solve it according to some order of operation. We have to move from left to right while solving this question. So 28 as it is. Divide is changed into multiplication. 14 over 2 is flipped, and it will become 2 over 14 times 2. Now it is considered as singular term because all this is in multiplication, so it is considered as a single term. Now there is cancellation. 2 and 14 are cancelled. 2 sevens are 14. Now 7, 1, and 7 4s are cancelled. So 4 times 2 will be the remaining portion, which will be, when multiplied, will be equal to 8. Hence, 8 will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.